Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Tableau dashboards used by AI analysts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup Tableau dashboards used by AI analysts, start by opening your Tableau desktop application. Navigate to the dashboard you wish to backup. Ensure that all necessary data connections are established for the dashboard. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner of the application. Select the Export option from the drop-down menu. In the Export menu, choose Tableau Packaged Workbook. This will create a file format that contains both the dashboard and the relevant data. Choose a destination folder on your computer to save the packaged workbook. Name the file appropriately for easy identification. Click Save to create the backup. Confirm that the backup file is properly created by navigating to the folder where you saved it. Now, to back up any custom calculations or scripts used in your Tableau workbook, open the Analysis menu. Select Create Calculated Field to open any custom fields. Copy and paste the relevant formulas into a text document for safekeeping. This will ensure you have a record of all calculations used in your dashboard. Next, if your dashboard uses any custom visualizations or extensions, manually save these files as well. Visit the directory where these resources are located on your computer or server. Backup these additional files by copying them to your designated backup folder. After storing all crucial components, consider backing up the Tableau server if applicable. Log into Tableau server via your web browser. Navigate to the dashboard on the server you wish to back up. Click on the download icon to save the dashboard to your local system. Ensure that you are downloading it in the Tableau Packaged Workbook format for consistency. Lastly, verify that all parts of your backup are securely stored in a safe location. Test the backed up files by reopening them in Tableau Desktop to ensure they work as expected. Regularly update your backups to capture any changes made to the dashboards. This practice will help maintain the integrity and accessibility of your Tableau analytics and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.